Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Jay and Silent Bob chronic blunt punch game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, so come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So if you cannot find the game, simply click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After you disable it, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside his own name, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across several kind of errors while playing the game. So make sure your game is installed on SSD. Just you can go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, and here you will find all the games that are listed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on another drive, you simply have to select it and after that click on move and move the game to the SSD, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So if your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from several other issues. So make sure to check the settings, or even you can lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now after you will get setup successful message, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch the game, log into it and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the settings, and here you have to click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. Wait for some time. If there is any update, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. So search for graphics settings. And now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application to it. Now once you add the game here, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. Select Custom Size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on Set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next and the last solution is to reinstall Jay and Silent Bob Chronic Blunt Punch game. For that, go to Steam under Library section. Here you have to select your game, right click on it, click on Manage. Now click on Uninstall and finally click on Uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Jay and Silent Bob Chronic Blunt Punch game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not, or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Jay and Silent Bob Chronic Blunt Punch game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.